Hey guys, back here on the beautiful McKenzie River, close to the area we were magnet fishing. Just doing a little trash pickup along the side of the road. As you can see, just stuff like this. So that's what we're up to today. Just doing some standardized garbage removal, and we'll see what happens along the way. Part of today's journey on environmental cleanup is just about making an example on how easy it can be, or I guess how hard others make it. Let's see what it is. All right. Beautiful forest here, beautiful river. We're just trying to do our part. A little bit at a time goes a long way. And that's the motto of the day. This actually is our drinking water for Eugene, Springfield area. Right out of the McKenzie, they get the water and give it a little treatment and send it through the pipes in town. So we like to do our part. Get it out of the drinking water. And that's all it really takes to go and do like half hour of your day. Guys, it's not a lot of gas. Give it a try. You might like it. You might like it. It's good for your back. It's a form of yoga. Like I said, just throw on some thick gloves and you're in. Really appreciate you guys coming by today and watching today's episode of Environmental Cleanup. Down here on the McKenzie River, Oregon, close to Blue River, a town that went through a lot of destruction last year, 2 years ago in the fires, and I should have double bagged it, but hey, that's life. I was able to pull it off and get it back to the truck, and that's just what we do. We're heading on out to the mountain. We always head home with more than we came with. Standard. So, really highly appreciate you guys popping through again. And we just want to do our part. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.